Hello guys, in the last lecture we read about the theoretical aspect of the RSS feed, and in this lecture we're going to explore its practical aspect. Let's get started. So we have two types of basically RSS feed. One is the Google Alerts and second one is the Feedly. Both of them we're going to explore here one by one. Let's get started with the Google Alerts. The page is getting loaded up and here we go. So both are the a way to get basically latest update on any of the website. Their approach basically would be different, and different approach would be undertaken by the Google Alerts, and the Feedly have a different approach. End of the day you will get website notification update. Okay, let me just open the Feedly as well in the new tab. Here we go. Google Alert might get open now. Yeah, so basically what is the main criteria? As you can see, this is my email id then 64@gmail.com, which I am signed in right now. Basically, in order to get it, basically you have to create an alert about here. So for example, some of the popular website like search engine land you have to simply search for them. For example, you would like to have latest update of the website search engine watch. Right here, search engine watch, and you will get suggestion here. So this is what you mean, watchcon.com or search engine watch. Yeah, search engine watch is what I mean basically. Okay, copy here, paste here, search engine watch, done. Create alert. You need to click here, create alert, and whenever they publish something new you have to just click here and you can have the privilege to have access to it. So this is what their latest update being. Okay, click on it, and here you can see it is 1 day ago. Okay, you just when click on it you will get to the website where they have listed about this. If you are interested, click on this, otherwise just skip this. Okay, so this was about Google Alerts. As you can see, no proper option they have given basically to categorize it. For example, if I would like to categorize it into a different portion of SEO, and so there is no option like this, and they don't even give you the summary of what we are going to read about. Okay, so here you can quickly pick the famous personalities about them. You can quickly pick, let's say for example I click on Amitabh Bachchan. So here are all about what happens around Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, so when I write about search engine watch, it is mainly focusing on that website. When I write here a famous personality name Amitabh Bachchan, whatever the any website which talks about Amitabh Bachchan will get pop up here. Okay, there is a website of United News of India, Midday, all the websites we get popped up who are talking about Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, so this was about the Google Alerts. Second, we have Feedly. Feedly having the same function but in a more effective manner. Okay, let's get started here. So well, let's add a content here. Basically, let's say for example I am interested in having a news. So I click here, Times of India. So do I need to space? Yeah, so here you can see the famous website, the famous pages get popped up right like this. And so I am interested in having news update from Times of India. As you can see, one of the categories has already been listed as a search engine land. So I have categorized it into SEO portion, and this website I will be getting a different category. I will be assigning it a different category. So it is asking me whether you can do it in the SEO or you would like to have a new category for this. So I would like to have a new category, that is will be news here. Okay, so they are giving a suggestion. Okay, newspaper will work. So once I click here, you can see a new category have been assigned here. Unlike Google Alert, which will not give you the option of categorizing it, it is giving you the option to categorize it as well. And let's say I am interested in this. Okay, so let's click on this. Here you can see the number, like we have currently 10 updates for you from this website that you have not read yet. Okay, so basically you need to scroll down, can see what was the one who might be interesting to you. For example, I'm interested in reading this article, opportunistic element come together to remove PM, honorable PM. Okay, so here you can see a short summary has been given to you, what is there in the article. If you are interested, click here, you will be directed to the website. Not interested, you can either delete it or can mark here as well that I have read this. Okay, so this is how basically it works. Okay, so here are all the latest updates that they have regarding the Times of India. Here are all the links here. So unlike Google Alerts, they're giving you summary, they are giving you option to categorize it as well. So this was about the Feedly, and this was earlier it was the Google Alert. So these are the two we are discussing. We have others as well, like we have web based, that is basically this is basically a web based. We have desktop based, we can download app of them, and we have browser built in, and we have mobile based as well. Okay, so other than that we do not have any other kind of RSS feed. Okay, so this is how basically RSS feed work, and you get the latest update of any site. Thank you so much.